Hi everyone, welcome to edquest. In last session we have seen how to create a CI workflow with GitHub Actions for Hello World. In today's session we will make our pipelines smarter by automating ML training and pushing the output to MLflow UI. So let's get into it. In left hand side we have created a pipeline that will push the code in main branch, and we have hosted a self-hosted runner on our local server. These are the below steps which will be executed on our local runner. So let's get into the code directly. This is our code for model pipeline. We have set the tracking URI. You can change this URI according to your deployment set. We have multiple functions which will be executed with the calling function in the main. For registering the model to the MLflow UI, we have the set of functions which will be executed like MLflow.startRun, MLflow log metric, MLflow sklearn log model, MLflow register model. We have the experiment name as ice cream sale, and we have the URL of tracking URI. And let's run our runner on the machine. cd actions runner. We will execute our run.sh. Now let's check the GitHub runner state. On the GitHub repository, let's go to the runner, actions runner. Edquest test, which is already hosted on our local setup, is in an idle state. Now let's go back to our code base. We have created a pipeline. It's the same pipeline. We will install our requirement, whatever will be the requirement for running this model pipeline. We will train the model pipeline and we will log that model pipeline in MLflow UI. So let's add those files to GitHub. Git commit -m new model pipeline. Git push. It's pushed to GitHub. Now let's check our runner. It started train model. Let's go back to UI. It's ice cream sale. Just refresh it. We will check our runner as well. At the moment, let's go to actions. This is new model pipeline we have executed. Let's see its job. So it's giving the error of model train, line number 25. Okay, let's check. Okay, this should be the model start. We need to with MLflow start. There is no function. Okay, let me change this and add again and push to the commit pipeline code fixes push. Okay, now let's go back to our runner once. Okay, new run is started. Go back to actions, code fixes, model train.pipeline, runner activated, installing dependencies. It is showing. Okay, it's created. Train and log to MLflow, post setup Python, and the job is complete. Okay, now let's go back to our MLflow UI. Refresh. We have created ice cream sale, and one model train is done. In this we can see there is artifact. Okay. In this we can see our deployed values. Okay, let's check on the models part. this is iris when it created. See, like we don't have artifacts and models also, so let's go back and check whether in the main function we are registering model. We are not calling this register model. Okay, so let's call this register model in the main function. Register model, and the parameter would be model. Okay, now let's go back to code. Git add, git commit -m, code push. Now let code push. Okay, where it is, code push. Okay, it's pushed. Now go back to runner. Let's wait for the starting the job. Now job started. Then let's go back to the our runner once. Code push. Let's check with this. Let's check the model, training models, installing dependencies, creating post job Python. Yes, now it is executed. Let's check the UI part. Go back to, okay, this URL experiments ice cream sale. Okay, now it registered the models. Okay, now let's go back to it. Registered 2 models, artifacts. Okay, now models have artifacts as well, and we have registered models ice cream, right? This is version 5. Okay, now today's date, and it deployed the version 5. So this is our current model which has been deployed. Okay, so we have successfully deployed our MLflow model via GitHub Actions and registered it on MLflow UI. So you have successfully built full training automation pipeline and integrated it with MLflow. Now you are doing officially MLOps using CI/CD pipeline with the GitHub Actions, and next we will see how to do these deployments like Python code in the container, and in future we will use the deployment using Kubernetes. So let's stick together and we will see. We'll meet in next one. Thank you.